In a small town, nestled between rolling hills and golden fields, there lived a young teenager named Ethan. From the outside, he seemed like any other boy. He went to school, helped his mother with chores, played soccer with friends, and spent lazy afternoons watching clouds drift across the sky. His life looked simple, but inside, Ethan often felt restless, as if something important was just beyond his reach. School was his biggest challenge. Every subject felt like climbing a mountain. He would copy notes, reread textbooks, and try to memorize formulas, but the information never seemed to stick. Mistakes in class embarrassed him, and laughter from his classmates only made him doubt himself more. Gradually, Ethan started avoiding extra tasks and losing faith in his own abilities. He feared he would never succeed, and a quiet despair settled over him. One afternoon, as the school emptied, Ethan noticed his philosophy teacher, Mr. Dalton, still sitting behind his desk, grading papers. Hesitantly, Ethan approached, his heart racing. "Mr. Dalton, may I speak with you?" he asked softly. The teacher looked up, his kind eyes meeting Ethan's. "Of course, come sit. What's on your mind?" Ethan swallowed nervously. I'm terrible at studying. I forget everything. I can't focus. Honestly, I feel hopeless. I don't know what to do." Mr. Dalton leaned back thoughtfully. "Ethan, you are not alone. Many students feel this way, but improvement is possible. Today, I will teach you 5 simple lessons to help you focus and change the way you learn." The first lesson was about calming the mind. Mr. Dalton held up a jar of muddy water. He asked, "What do you see?" "Dirty water, sir," Ethan replied. "Correct. Now we'll leave it for a while and watch what happens." After some time, the dirt settled to the bottom and the water became clear. "See?" Mr. Dalton said. "Our minds work the same way. Stress and scattered thoughts cloud our thinking. Before studying, take a few minutes to close your eyes, breathe deeply, and let your mind settle. Calmness allows understanding." The second lesson focused on the present. Mr. Dalton lit a candle. "Focus on this flame," he instructed. "When your mind drifts, gently bring it back." Ethan struggled at first. Thoughts of friends, exams, and mistakes flooded in. But gradually, he learned to return his attention to the flame. The past is gone, and the future has not yet come. We have only the present. Practice being here fully every day. The third lesson was to understand, not just memorize. The teacher gave Ethan a sponge and a rock. Pouring water on both, the sponge absorbed it, the rock did not. Those who memorize without understanding are like the rock. They forget quickly. Those who seek meaning and connect ideas are like the sponge. They retain knowledge deeply. Always aim to understand, not just remember. Fourth, Ethan learned to break large tasks into smaller pieces. Mr. Dalton handed him a heavy wooden block. "Try to break it." Ethan strained, but it wouldn't budge. Then, the teacher cut it into smaller pieces, and Ethan broke them easily. Big goals overwhelm. Small steps create progress. Little by little, you grow stronger. The fifth lesson was consistency. Mr. Dalton planted seeds in 2 pots. One was watered daily, the other was left dry. Soon, a small sprout appeared in the first pot, while the second remained barren. Focus and growth require regular attention. Even brief, consistent effort is more effective than sporadic, intense bursts. Over the following weeks, Ethan applied each lesson. At first, progress was subtle, but slowly he could concentrate for longer periods, understand lessons better, and approach studying without fear. His confidence grew, and he began enjoying learning. Years later, Ethan became successful. He often reflected on that day with Mr. Dalton and the 5 simple lessons that changed his life. Calm your mind, stay present, seek understanding, break tasks into parts, and practice consistently. Over time, your efforts will grow into achievements, and your determination will become your greatest tool for success.